Rex here, your friendly cyber deck distro dealer. I'm back again with the Cardputer Zero. This entire Linux system is running on a display that's only 320 by 170 pixels. When I first saw the Cardputer Zero's display specs, I honestly wasn't sure how usable it would be. I mean, 320 by 170 pixels, that's tiny. But after spending some time building a custom image for it, I've been surprised at how much you can actually get done on this small screen. One of the first things I focused on was creating a proper first boot experience. Instead of dropping users straight into the command line or a launcher and expecting them to configure everything manually, the image launches a setup wizard for the first time it boots. The wizard walks you through basic configuration steps, helps get the system ready to use without touching the command line. For a small device like that, this first experience matters a lot. I also created a utility called CardFetch. Think of it like a version of NeoFetch that's specifically designed for the Cardputer Zero and the tiny display. It displays system information, battery status, hardware details, and image information in a layout that actually works on a 320 by 170 display. Space is extremely limited here, so every pixel counts. The Cardputer Zero can switch between its built-in display and an external monitor. That means you can use it as a pocket-sized handheld when you're on the go and connect it to a larger display when you need more screen space. And trust me, after staring at a 320 by 170 display for a while, having a full-size monitor feels huge. The goal with this image isn't to turn the Cardputer Zero into desktop replacement. It's about making the hardware as usable as possible while embracing its limitations. And honestly, that's part of the fun. This is still a work in progress, and I've got a lot more planned, more optimizations, more applications, more handheld-friendly tweaks. So if you're interested in the Cardputer Zero and want to follow along as these images develop, stay tuned because there's a lot more coming. I've been Rex with the Cardputer Zero, and thank you for kicking with me outside the VIN.